Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see physiography and drainage as a revision purpose. Means we are going to see today the geographical explanation of means how India's physiography is divided into 5 divisions. There are 5 major divisions are the Himalayas, the North Indian plain, the peninsula, coastal plains and island groups. Means there will be the question maybe. Means write the name of physiographic divisions of India. 5 physiographic division of India. And anyone they are asking about the information. For example, write in brief about island group or write in brief about North Indian plain or write in brief about peninsular region, like this way. Okay, first we are going to see Himalayas, means in short. This Himalaya, it is one of the young fold mountain in the world. Okay, it is a fold mountain in the world. And Himalaya extend from Pamir Knot in Tajikistan, means in Tajikistan means Afghanistan, in the west to the east. And Himalaya is one of the major mountain system of the continent of Asia. Means in Asia, if you are thinking about the Asia continent, then Himalaya, it is the major mountain system. Okay, then it extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Means in the northwest side there is Jammu and Kashmir, and in the northeast side there is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and Himalayas extend means Himalaya, as well as there are many other parallel mountain ranges. Okay, there are other parallel mountain ranges, like southernmost is Shivalik, means in the southernmost it is Shivalik. It is also youngest range. Next is Shivalik, or it is next to Shivalik there is Lesser Himalaya. Then Greater Himalaya means Himadri, and then Trans Himalayan range from south to north. These are the young to old respectively. Means from young means most youngest range is Shivalik. Then after that there is youngest range is Lesser Himalaya, then Greater Himalaya, and then Trans Himalaya. Means these mountain ranges are also divided into four parts. Means Western Himalaya or Jammu and Kashmir Himalaya, Central Himalaya and Eastern Himalaya. Okay, like this way it is divided into these parts. Like this way you can write the information of Himalaya. Then North Indian plain. Means the characteristics of the North Indian plains are a flat low-lying area which is located in the north of India, and this region is means it is flat low-lying area. That's why it is known as North Indian plain. It is the first characteristics. The North Indian plain is lie between Himalayan mountain in the north and the peninsular in the south. Means between Himalaya mountain it is north side and peninsular region it is south side. Okay, also it extends from state of Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Means in the west side there is Rajasthan and Punjab plain, and in the west side east side there is Assam plain. Means Assam, the Brahmaputra plain. Okay, then third characteristics is the North Indian plains are divided into 3 parts. The low lying means it is divided into 3 parts. Okay, which 3 part is means Punjab Haryana plain, then Ganga, means between there is Ganga plain, river Ganga basin, means east of the Aravalli there is river Ganga plain. Okay, and also there is Assam or Brahmaputra plain. Means like this way there is the low-lying area of the east of the Aravalli is known as Ganga plain, and it slope it to the east. Means that Ganga plain slope is toward the east side. Okay, west to east. delta of Ganga Brahmaputra rivers extend in the state of West Bengal in India and Bangladesh. If you are thinking there is a biggest delta in India, which delta? Means Ganga Brahmaputra's delta, which extend in the West Bengal in India and Bangladesh in Bangladesh also, and this region is known as Sundarban Delta, which is the largest delta in the world. Then the western part of the North Indian plain is occupied by desert. Okay, western part of the North Indian plain means which is where there is Rajasthan, which is known as deserted region. The desert or Marustali also we can say that, means it is known as Marustali also. And the state of Rajasthan is occupied by Thar desert, means there is Thar desert also. Okay, means this Thar desert is occupied in Rajasthan. And the plain of Punjab lies in the north of Thar desert, means north side there is Punjab, Haryana, and that Punjab plain is north side of Thar desert. It is located to the west of Aravallis and Delhi ranges. Okay, means east of the Aravalli there is Ganga plain and west of the Aravalli there is Punjab plain. And the plains of Punjab slope to the west, and that Punjab plain slope toward the west. Ganga's plain slope toward the east, and Punjab plain slope toward the west. And that plain also have the fertile land, and that's why agriculture is developed in this region. Like this way we can write about the means North Indian plain. Tomorrow we will see about the next means coastal plain and island group, okay, and peninsular region. Okay, tomorrow we will see. Everyone study like this way. Okay, thank you.